Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you a very basic supply and demand curve. It's a so simple, it's stupid. But let's talk about this in the world of options and futures trading. First off, I've studied the technical analysis, the quantitative analysis, and fundamental analysis. For my primary trading on decisions to be made, things that I've learned is to keep everything simple. Simple enough that you understand it. From all the different types of analysis I've done, obviously fundamental is the best. I say that because of all the major news outlets talk about it. It's based around economic indicators like supply and demand, which I'm about to show you. And really, that is the driving factor of how pricing action takes place as market behavior in pretty well all instruments. Think about this. Before electronic trading came into play, let's say over the last 10, 15, maybe even 20 years, there were the open outcry pits for options, futures trading, and all they were using was simple supply and demand. So how's it any different than what drives today's pricing action and market behavior in electronic trading? Theoretically, that's how I look at it. All these other techniques in terms of looking at technicals or charting of past behavior can work for confirmation on trading ideas or trading decisions for market entry or even exit, but I would not use it exclusively. In terms of quantitative analysis, I think that works as well. When you start applying more advanced math techniques and maybe even artificial intelligence and machine learning, I think there is a world out there that needs to be looked at. That's beyond my level of comprehension at this point. So my view is to start really focusing on the fundamentals. In the last month, I've introduced a book, this one, if you can get it, that talks about that, and the entire course, which is taught at UC Davis in Sacramento, California, talks about that. So a lot of my automation, and as I delve into Simulink as potential trading models trading model development, that's what I'm going to more focus on is fundamental view. So I want to show you as I have my Matlab here. Let me just show you the Matlab central file that you can get on this. This is a very simple demo. This isn't really 100% applicable to what I want to do, but it does have the charting and the plotting that I need. So it's very simple. I'll put this link up on my blog, as well as you can download the source code here, but it does get kind of complicated. There's a lot of very cool functions and demos in this package. It's a lot actually for economics, statistical, and so on and so forth. So when you look at it and you dive right into this exact file, which you will have to look for, a hint here is to look for this file, CSPS. And basically it seems to be its own self-contained demo. As you can see here, there's two files, setup and CSPS. So if I go into my Matlab and I'm right there and run the setup as a separate application, let me just run it here. We have basically our demand. We can specify our demand curve, the slope, supply, some world price and tariff and all that stuff. I'm not really interested in that. All I care about is the plot that gets generated. There's three plots. It's only really the first one I'm interested in. It's just being able to take this demand curve, supply curve, and being able to shift it back and forth based upon your instruments that you're interested in. Specifically me, obviously futures as well. So I just want to show you that this does exist, and you can go deeper into it, but I just want something simple, and this is probably some of the code I'll be using to basically demonstrate how these plots get created. All right, just wanted to show you that. Talk to you later.